I have here Vivo's latest mid-range device, and in this video we're unboxing, doing a camera tour, and checking out the cameras for the first time. Are you excited? Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your real life in style. So in this video, we will be unboxing the Vivo V19 Neo. Now, you may be confused because there is a Vivo V19 and then there's this, the Vivo V19 Neo. In a nutshell, the Vivo V19 Neo, which we're unboxing today, is the more affordable baby brother of the Vivo V19. Main differences between the two mainly include the processor, and two, this has one selfie camera versus the V19, which has a two-camera selfie setup up front. What else does the Vivo V19 Neo have? Well, let's go unbox to find out. Here we go, the Vivo V19 Neo. That box is sort of like hollow, so I like. Says here we are unboxing the 8GB RAM 128GB storage version. On the back, we can see that I got the Admiral Blue version. Also, I was told to cover these numbers to shout out for that commenter who was looking out for me. Thanks. So yeah, I've covered it. And now we unbox. Ooh, that looks even better without the plastic though. You can also see here on the back it says this has the Ultra O screen, 48 megapixel AI quad camera, 32 megapixel front facing camera, and the super night mode. Ow. Wow. Wait, wow, look. Man, I'm such a sucker for these holo designs. That looks good. We have here the jelly case, SIM tool. Ooh, the cord is in here. Nice. Ooh, wow. So that is a USB-C cord. Then the phone, but we'll deal with that later. Ooh. Power brick, and then we have earphones. That's a good touch. Okay, we're doing the phone now. So first of all, it says here that there is a proximity sensor and an ambient light sensor in this area. And then at the bottom it says that there's an in-display fingerprint scanner. Ooh, wait. That's pretty. I didn't expect that. And then here a micro SD port, nano SIM, and nano SIM. Let's open this up, shall we? Wait, how? Oh, here. Whoa! Whoa! I did not expect this pretty blue. So as you can see, like the edges look like they're darker than the middle. I'm not sure if that's just the light, how it hits the phone, or if it's just the color of the phone, but that looks good. So it's seeming like it's just how the light hits the phone, but like that still looks really good nonetheless. That doesn't sound like it's glass, but I mean, this is what most mid-range phones are made out of. My God. These phones are pretty, but it's so hard to focus. On this side, there is Vivo branding. And then on this corner here, 4 cameras, a flash, that is a slight bump. Not too bad. So this phone does feel nice in hand. It's a typical mid-range device. On this side, you have the SIM tray. Up top, what is probably a mic. On this other side, that's a volume rocker and then a power button. There are slight grooves on the sides. I don't know if you can see that. And then at the bottom, those are speakers, USB-C port, and an audio jack. I mean, you know what's coming next. We're gonna power this up. And then while I do that, a montage. Whoa, that is really quick face unlock. So, I mean, first of all, that is one really tiny punch hole. Yeah, I mean, wow. This thing runs on FunTouch OS, and well, the main thing that I can think of would be how all the settings which you usually swipe down to get to are down here. So as you can see, that's a different touch. Anyway, this is a camera tour after all, so let's get to the cameras. What's a little unique about how Vivo does their camera settings is if you look here, it says lens. If you click there, it basically allows you to pick which camera you're using. So you are on super wide angle, you can do 1x, 2x. If you switch to bokeh mode, it won't let you zoom in or out, but it does automatically give you the bokeh settings right here. And then you can switch to super macro mode, which in that case you need to be near your subject, and then there's no zooming in or out. So yeah, that is how you pick through those three different phone features. If you want to go to the normal one, just tap X and then you get lens, and from there you can do 1x and zoom up until 10x. Right now that says AI enable blur, so yes, you guessed it, there is AI on this camera. Up here you have flash, HDR settings, and then what's this? Filters, and then the different portrait light effects. Ooh, and then size, and then all the different settings. So you can turn AI on and off in the settings. Under shutter modes, you also have palm gestures, which I love, so I'll turn that on. Voice gestures, meaning you just need to say cheese and then the camera takes a photo for you. Cheese! We go to video, and as you can see, it's the same settings. On super wide, you can do 1x, 2x. Can you zoom? No, it's 1x and 2x. And then you have to close that to zoom further. 1x, 2x, and then zoom up until 10x. Again, look at my cute earring. But in video, it allows you only super wide and the bokeh lens. Here you have, ooh, flash, the different filters, and of course under settings it'll show you that your video resolution can be up until 4K 30 FPS. So under more, we have a 48 megapixel main shooter, panorama mode, live photo mode, slow-mo. What can slow-mo do? So 1x and 2x and zoom up until 10x, and then you have time-lapse pro mode. So all the different settings, and then you also have AR stickers. Nice. These are cute. Ooh, I like that look. And then of course Jovi Vision, and then document. So I always like the document mode. It's a really helpful thing. Okay, let's go to portrait mode. So in portrait mode, you have 1x and 2x. Can you zoom even more? Yes. 10x. You can also do super wide portraits. So as you can see, 1x, 2x on super wide. And then we have the beauty mode from here. So as you can see, so many things. Buffing, skin tone, whitening, and then you have slimming, even your head and everything. But like I always say with all of my camera tours, the beauty modes on cameras are all fun and great, but remember to always love the real you. You also have posture, and I always found this fun. So there are different poses here, and basically it gives you cutouts to follow so that you can pose better in your photos. So that's a cute little touch. And then on night mode, you cannot zoom in or out. Right, selfie time. So from here, can we zoom in or out? No zooming in or out on selfie night mode. But you have all the different beauty modes, which is great. On portrait mode, you have the different settings. So you can do bokeh, only one camera up front, so you don't have to change it around. And then of course the beauty mode. Under posture, there is a selfie option. So that's pretty cute. You know what? Let's try this. Let's do this first one with the hand. So, I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, but you know what I mean. I'm a perfectionist, so let's see that. We back. So on photo, no zooming. Oh, there is zooming in and out. So you can do like 2x up until 1x on photo, and then on video there also is live beauty mode, and then you can zoom up until 2x and then 1x. Right, so I guess that's it for our quick camera tour. Now we are taking this phone out to test it. Let's go. With the Vivo V19 Neo now, so you're seeing and hearing the video and the audio from the phone right now, and this front-facing camera shoots in 1080p. Also, you can do beauty filters, so here we go. So the beauty mode is on, it shoots in 720p, so it's nice. Oh my god, the dogs. So it's nice because on this phone, before you're able to shoot with the beauty mode, it automatically prompts for you to change to 720p, like other phones which immediately record your video on beauty mode, but then it's automatically downsized to 720p. Like I always say, 720p is great for like social media, Instagram and all that, but for vlogs, I would much rather be shooting in 1080p. Right, rear cameras. So these are the dogs right now. This is 1x, 2x, and this is the main camera. I'm gonna switch to super wide angle now. So as you can see, that's a wider shot, but also you can't shoot with the main camera and then switch to wide angle. You can zoom in up until 2 though. I'm back in my room because I want to try out something that Vivo's been talking about. They say that this phone has super night selfie features. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it nighttime in my room and see what selfies I can get from this. I still have that light going, so Alexa, turn the lights off. Right, let's try this. Final test to make it even darker. I'm gonna go under the Mary gave me. It's a cute sloth blanket. We're gonna take photos underneath here to see if it really works. Okay, so there's something that I learned about this phone. I'm still under the blanket. Okay, wait, hi. So because there's a proximity sensor on the front, the screen, when it notices that you're in the dark, will brighten up to compensate for the darkness, hence better selfies. That's nice. Right, I'm gonna get under here. This video, it's done. It's too hot. Bye. And that was our unboxing and first look of the Vivo V19 Neo. This is certainly a cute little phone. Of course, I will want to check this phone out more, so stay tuned for the full review. Let me know if you have questions down below, and if you want to see me use this device on a daily basis, you can find me on social media. That's @SisaSaid. Until next time.